If you have a token that's got little liquidity, well, all you do is pump it with some liquidity, and what happens? That token starts to crank up, and that token does like, a 10, 20, 30, 50x because it was so small, had such little liquidity, and the market cap was small. It doesn't take much to pump it. Well, what's the size of the market cap with the total crypto? Total crypto market cap, we're looking at what? It's less than, look, it's $2.28 trillion. Compare that to gold. Small. The whole market cap is puny. And so when they start pumping liquidity in something that's got such a small market cap, small liquidity, right? The liquidity's down, you pump it with lots of liquidity, and the market cap is small, what's going to happen? It's going to go boom! It's going to explode. It's going to go parabolic. It's going to go euphoric. That's what happens. So when they pump it with liquidity, then you'll see it go. So all these events are sort of just keeping everything in line while they're waiting, and they're going to pump with liquidity. And they're going to pump it with liquidity right away. It happens every time.